Just try standing on your toes. Alright, it's about 1:30 and it's time for lunch. So we're heading to Loboc River Cruise. We get on a boat, they got a buffet. It's 650 pesos each. And it's on the Loboc River, and then later on we're going to be going on the zip line over, much higher over the Loboc River. So now we're going on the river cruise. River cruise. Last time I did this river cruise, I had a horrible time. I had like an anxiety attack. It didn't end well, but yeah, it's okay. Here we go. Oh, signed in, and the boats are going, and people are eating already. It's usually like a feeding frenzy on here.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, that's the buffet. Got a nice little buffet laid out. All kinds of stuff you can eat. Yeah, we're killing this. And desserts. It's very nice. And they also have a band that plays. An emergency bathroom. This is, yeah. So we're gonna eat. So this is the man-made forest. This was done back in the 1950s. This area was bare of vegetation. So the governor asked for volunteers, and 2,000 grade 6 students came up and planted 7,000 mahogany trees along a 1.5 kilometer strip along this road. So that's what you're seeing right here. And I guess it's part of the tour, because everybody, all the tour vans are lined up here to see the man-made forest. So, yeah, it's a forest. And it's protected. Even if a tree falls, and all this is mahogany you see right here. Even if this falls, they have to leave from here. They can't harvest them. Eco-tourism. All right, we just finished the Loboc cruise, which is actually really enjoyable, and now we're doing a zip line. So, wish us luck. Then again, maybe we're not going zip lining because it's a torrential downpour up here at the zip line site. So, yeah, this might not be happening this year. I did it last time. It's a zip line and it goes over stuff. Maybe I'll just put the footage up from last year. Oh, not last year. It was like 3 years ago.
I can show you the world. Shiny, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, my friends, now when did you let... Forgot the lyrics. A whole new world. A dazzling place I never knew. But when away up here, it's crystal clear.
Okay, let's do this. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Chichai doesn't seem scared anymore. Yeah. You went a lot faster than me. What are you feeling, your heart rate?
But I'm not scared.
Mine's moderately elevated. So now once you get to one side, you got to zip line back to the other side. Here, so now we're going next way. I'm winning! I'm winning! Because I'm a winner! Winner is always right. That's so much fun. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Usapa, usapa.
Isa pa.
LBC, we like to move it, move it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Look at Chichai. She had a great time. Whew. My heart rate's still a little elevated. Got a bunch of endorphins and norepinephrine rushing through my body. But hey, that's half the fun. Oh no, no. We got photos.
But now I'm in a whole new world with you.
We're trapped at the zip line and she's gone insane. And there's no way out of here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Shiny, shimmering.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.